Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sarwar. I am a student of English Lab. Today I would like to share with you about population problem of Bangladesh. How can we make it as an asset? We all know the population problem of Bangladesh is increasing very fast. Every year the number of population is growing up more and more. Because of this, many people says population problem of Bangladesh is a very big problem. Yes, that is true. That too much people can create many problems in Bangladesh. My dear friends, now I discuss about some demerit of population. When our population is growing too much, there are no enough job for everyone. There are no enough factory, there are no enough industry, workplace and job. Many people remain unemployed. Schools and hospitals become crowded. Government has to face a big pressure to give service and to everyone. Sometimes people do not get proper medical care. Sometimes people do not get proper good education. Our roads are full of traffic jam. The cities become dirty. These are most problem. And now I want to merit or positive things. How can we make it as an asset? We know population problem always not hurts. If we use the population in the right way, this large population can be our greatest asset. You know, every people has two hands, two legs, as well as two eyes. Furthermore, one brain. If we give them good education and perfect job training, these people can work for our country. The young people can do many things. They can product more foods, more goods, more service. In this way, our population can become an asset. Population, if we give them skilled, they will be our more power. More people means more workforce. If we give them skilled, the large number of people will be our great strength. My dear friends, we must give them good, perfect education for every site. We should develop our factory, our industry and workplace. We must give every young people job training. If we do this, we can develop our country in this way. My dear friends, population will not our burden. Actually, population will be our blessing. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.